Hey guys, welcome to Brown Tech channel. In today's review video, we are taking a closer look at the Honor X9A 5G. This latest smartphone release from Honor is packed with features and it's one of the most affordable 5G smartphones on the market right now. Before deep diving into the review, I would like to share you the specs of the Honor X9A. Up front, there is a 6.67-inch OLED curved display with an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Honor X9A also packs with a 120Hz screen refresh rate. Due to the curved display, it has a 93% screen to body ratio and also it has a peak brightness of 800 nits. In the camera department, the Honor X9A comes with a triple camera setup. First of all, there is a 64 megapixel ultra clear camera with f1.8 aperture. Then the phone comes with a 5 megapixel wide angle camera with f2.2 aperture. Lastly, there is a 2 megapixel macro camera lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfie camera wise, the Honor X9A comes with a 16 megapixel camera lens with f2.45 aperture. Under the hood, the Honor X9A runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G processor. Yes, you got it right. This affordable smartphone comes with the support of 5G. For the memory and storage wise, this phone comes with 3 variants. One is the 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, the second variant is 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and the third variant is 8GB of RAM with 256GB storage. The one I'm holding right now is the Max variant, which has 8GB of RAM with 256GB storage. Powering the Honor X9A is a huge 5100 mAh battery, and according to Honor, the battery life can last for up to 2 days with a single charge. Operating system wise, it runs on Magic UI 6.1, which is based on Android 12 operating system. I will share the rest of the technical details after using this phone for the 2 weeks.
2 weeks later.
Now it's time to review the Honor X9A after using it for 2 weeks. First of all, let's start with the design of this phone. The design looks similar to the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. The rear camera design has a matrix star ring design where the camera lenses are placed inside the ring. Not only that, the matte finishing gives the premium feel and touch to the phone itself. With a weight and thickness of just around 175 grams only and 7.9mm respectively, it feels so light on my hand. Even though it has a curved display, it feels really good to hold it. The main highlight of this Honor X9A is the display. It has a tough curved display where you can even use the Honor X9A to smash garlics or even walnuts. Honestly, I will say that this is the toughest curved display I've ever seen in a curved display smartphone. Similar to the Kunlun Glass or the Corning Gorilla Glass 6, this curved display is super tough to break. With this tough curved display, Honor is pretty much confident about it, and that is why it was recognized by Honor Gold label. This means within 180 days if the screen cracks, you can get it replaced for free. One of the reasons I don't really like to use curved display phones is because the probability of a mistouch to happen is quite high. But in the Honor X9A, I don't really need to worry about the mistouch because it has an AI anti-mistouch where it lowers down the probability of mistouch to happen. This is the first time Honor X series smartphones are equipped with 1920Hz PWM dimming. This means during the night when I watch Netflix TV shows, it reduces the screen flickering and makes it more eye-friendly. With the 800 nits of brightness, I can even read news article on my phone without worrying about the screen glare in the sunlight. And as usual, these phones comes with a 120Hz screen refresh rate, which is good for both my page scrolling and gaming. Now, looking at the cameras, I would say the quality of the photos is not that bad actually. First of all, I tried using the 64 megapixel ultra clear camera and the photo turns out to be pretty good. I won't say it is perfect because this is just an affordable phone. Photos taken in the outdoor are much clearer compared to the photos taken in indoor. The contrast of the outdoor photos is much higher and it makes the photos look more vibrant. When I try to take photos indoors, the noise level in the photo is quite high. Especially when I zoom into the photos, the details gets lost easily. The same goes to the 5 megapixel wide angle camera as well. For the price of getting this phone, the cameras are pretty okayish enough. Technically, I didn't even try to take the macro shots using the 2 megapixel macro camera because to me this is totally irrelevant for our daily scenarios. Interestingly, I like the selfie camera more compared to the rear camera. The selfie photos are much clearer with the AI beauty mode feature, and the skin tone colors are not that bad. Actually, I really liked it. Besides that, the Honor X9A is also equipped with different video recording modes, such as multi-video recording. Using this mode, I was able to record both my reaction and the scenes happening in front of me. If you are a vlogger, then I'm sure you will like this feature. Overall, I would say this phone is an average camera system which is packed inside the Honor X9A. With the Snapdragon 695 5G processor, this phone supports 5G network connectivity. Yeah, I know that is quite difficult to test 5G network in my area here, but based on the test from Geekbench score, these phones scores at least 656 in single core and 1938 on multi-core. Not only that, by running the 3D Mark test, these phones scores around 1193 for the graphic test. Multitasking in the Honor X9A has never been a problem to me until today. I am able to open multiple apps at the same time without any issues. Besides that, with the Magic UI 6, it has a clean user interface which make it easier to locate the apps. Talking about the gaming on this phone, I would say it's quite good graphics I can get while playing the games. However, I think the screen are not so responsive. Sometimes I have difficulty in moving my game character. These are like the small things I was able to notice while gaming on this phone. By using the 5100 mAh battery, I was able to use this phone continuously for 2 days with just a single charge. With the battery life around 43%, I can continue to use a Honor X9A for another day without any issues. Using the Honor 40W supercharged charging adapter, I was able to charge the phone in just 30 minutes. With that, I was able to stream videos for at least 12.5 hours. Maybe while playing games, I was able to notice that the battery hits very fast. Apart from that, even when I set the screen refresh rate to 120Hz, the battery drained out much faster. Storage and RAM wise, the Honor X9A comes with a 256GB internal storage and 8GB RAM. On top of this, it has a 5GB virtual RAM where it makes the RAM to reach up to 13GB as well. Well, to me, with this amount of RAM, launching apps are quite smooth and no lagginess. Finally, it's all about the pricing. The Honor X9A is currently priced at $1,499 ringgit only. If you ask me, this is truly an affordable smartphone with the great features on your hand. The good thing is it comes with Google Apps, long-lasting battery and high screen refresh rate. The only downside in this phone is the camera department. Overall, I would say this is the good phone to buy. Well, that pretty much sums up my review for the Honor X9A. If you want to purchase one for yourself, then you can click the link in the description to get hands on the Honor X9A. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well to watch my upcoming tech videos. Till then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.